This is one of our most ambitious projects yet. It is where we ignore all preconceived notions of possibility. It is where Rolls-Royce, in collaboration with a very small number of its most revered clients, sets new standards. Every Rolls-Royce client is extraordinary, but within this group there exists a class of individual so significant that they demand an object that is truly transformative. They seek to commission a work of art that makes a permanent statement, an historic moment in time. And we have created Rolls-Royce Coach Build to fulfill these desires. When a Rolls-Royce Coach Build commission is created, it represents the moment a paradigm shifts, when preconceived notions of possibility are reset. And the outcome reflects a vision so focused that its significance transcends the world of motor cars. We created the contemporary coach building movement in 2017 with Sweptail. This remarkable hand-built motor car was instantly proclaimed as one of the finest intercontinental tourers in history. It represented a major recalibration of possibility and confirmed that the legacy of Rolls-Royce will be defined in collaboration with its clients. Sweptail set a new watermark of potential and ignited a fascination among a rarefied group of our clients. Among them, collectors, patrons of the arts and commissioning clients of now iconic architecture. These people approached Rolls-Royce to discover if they too could collaborate on a project even more profound to move beyond ordinary constraints. And we agreed. Within that group, 3 individuals shared a specific ambition and a single demand. Show me something that I have never seen before.
These clients were prepared to pledge so much of their time, so much of themselves in developing this shared ambition and this shared vision.
Coach Build clients are embedded within the design team throughout the creative process. Of course, this requires a large investment of the client's time. But this investment means they understand every element of the design. We absorb so much information in these early stages from their personal surroundings.
We learned of their love of hosting, and this served as a major inspiration for their commission of the rear hosting area. The crisp, pinched leading edge on the fender, the gentle rearward lean of the A-pillar, and then the trailing rear edge, they all suggestively gesture forward, almost like a motor launcher rising out of the wake under its own power. This is an extremely contemporary projection of the Rolls-Royce iconography.
Understanding and capturing the client's personality and image is fundamental. It is the product of an artistic and craft skill set that does not exist anywhere else in the automotive industry. Today, Rolls-Royce observes an historical moment. It's not just the introduction of a product, but the formation of a movement. Coach building by Rolls-Royce.